And so the idea is that at that subnational scale, it's the sweet spot to translate the kinds of global commitments that we have to stop climate change and conserve biodiversity and marry those to the objectives that local communities have. They want livelihoods, they want their rights protected, they want access to international markets, they want access to investment. It's at that subnational scale that's about the right place to bring all those interests together and come to a unified land use planning scheme that meets those different objectives.